Hey everyone, I have just checked my email box and got the most inspiring and exciting news from Seesaw. On October 27, 2023, they will launch a new logo, app icon, and marketing website inspired by the learning loop. You can find all of these amazing classroom printable materials and resources and download them with one click only, and they're all for free. And the link to this website is going to be attached in the description box. I personally love all of these posters and I love the new design, and this transition is going to be really easy if we support it by uploading again these resources. This will allow our students and families to get familiar with the new brand logo and icon, and I personally really love them. I can't wait to hear your opinions and thoughts on new transition on Seesaw just in the comment area below. So see you soon, see you in the upcoming videos. Go and check out this beautiful website with beautiful sections for teachers, for students, for parents, and let's support Seesaw because it's incredible, super inclusive and accessible educational tool. And that's all for my side. See you in the next upcoming videos very soon.